Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Start us off, we'll take a look at this morning's surface analysis chart in which we can see that cold front that had moved through yesterday morning that brought our wintry precip to the local area has since pushed well offshore, and we have a strong Arctic high that is building in from the northwest, and that is keeping us dry and somewhat breezy, especially in the earlier portions of today. And moving into tonight, we should see radiational cooling kept overall in check by some light southwesterly breezes moving through and some cloud cover. So our lows should dip into the mid 20s and struggle to really bottom out, similar to those temperatures that we'll see further inland in the overnight hours of tonight. That dry weather does look to continue through midweek as high pressure shifts southeast Tuesday and Wednesday, and until late Thursday, in which we see another cold front and an upper level trough making an approach to the local area, and that will bring us our next chance for some unsettled weather in the form of light but potentially more so widespread rain. And then in the following days, we'll see dry weather once again lock in and hold through at least Saturday, with some limited cold air advection as high pressure does build in from the west and will ultimately lead to a slightly cooler Saturday with a high coming around 40 degrees. Then by Sunday, we'll see a possible warm front lift through the area and bring some low-end chances of showers and nudge our highs and help those temperatures rebound ever so slightly, but overall not too much in the name of unsettled weather, asides for Thursday night into Friday. Now, for the 24-hour forecast here today, we should see mostly sunny skies, a few clouds mixing in, especially in the elevated levels of the atmosphere, and our temperatures today should settle out in the low 30s and then drop back down into the mid 20s. We will see slightly breezy conditions early today, just below wind advisory criteria for most of the period, and then those winds do subside down and temper out in the overnight hours into the early morning hours of tomorrow. And we are coming out of the period of which we had those single-digit wind chills as the temperatures are continuing to climb for the day and those winds are on the decline. So we'll be exiting that period any minute now. Now, for the short-term weather over the next few days, on Tuesday we can anticipate mostly sunny conditions with a few clouds building in later in the period and a high of 42. Green across the board for Tuesday. For Tuesday night, we can anticipate mostly clear conditions and a low of 31. And for Wednesday, mostly cloudy and slightly breezy and a high of 52, with some outputs bringing those gust factors slightly above wind advisory criteria and others having them well below. So just highlighting the chance of the occurrence in that fashion. Now, taking a look at the 7-day forecast ahead, anticipate mostly sunny conditions over today and tomorrow. We'll see clouds build in on Wednesday, and our temperatures continue to build in on Thursday, in which we will see clouds progressively building in throughout the day, and then we'll see that frontal feature move through Thursday night and early Friday, bringing those rain chances, and then following such, we'll see a day in which the temperatures do subside just a little bit, and then Sunday, that possible warm front moving through, surging in slightly warmer temperatures and bringing in a very slight chance of some precip at the moment, but given it is quite far out, we'll have to wait to see how things line up and just how much moisture really gets drawn into the equation come Sunday. That is going to conclude the 7-day forecast. Hope everyone has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief.